Your subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem on your Facebook when you use it on your iPhone. Uninspected error. So how you can also fix it? So first thing, just try to close your Facebook and just open it again, and if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to check your internet connection. So first thing, just open Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if you use cellular data or mobile data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after, just go to the general. In the general you need to scroll down, find shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second, and just power the phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And if it doesn't happen, if you still have the error, so just go back. And also you can try to update your iPhone, so just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And the latest option you can try to update your Facebook app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab and find here Facebook. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.